What's up guys, this is Mars. This will be a real quick tutorial on how to make Carpaint material in Blender. And by the way, this is the model I'm currently working on. Hopefully I'll be able to drop it next week. So yeah, let's go. Okay, let's start by dropping a mix color node to add thin film layer. So let's set this color to teal and the second one to purple. Of course metallic to 1, yeah, just already said. And for the factor I'm going to be using a layer weight node. I like facing, but you can try Fresnel. Set the blend mode. And you know, most of the time cars have not just a flat color, there are some flakes. So in order to add them, we're gonna bring in a noise texture and a color ramp to control the strength. And set the scale to like 1000. Yeah. Now in order to add a glossy coat layer, I'm gonna be using a clear coat. So set this to 1. Yeah, there we go. This is our Carpaint material.